Hey guys, it's Rachel in OKC again. Today we are at Martin Nature Park in OKC. This is a staple that has been in OKC for years and years. I have been many times. They've done many upgrades through the years. It's free. This is another spot that is just a slice of nature in the middle of the city. There's walking trails. You might see some wildlife. If you're planning a trip here, probably check the website for hours. I think they're normally closed Mondays and Tuesdays. I'm here on a Wednesday. And I think different times of the year, the hours vary some. I think the hours in the summer are longer. Also, the park grounds, I think, are open before and after the visitor building. So if you're wanting access to the visitor building, which has indoor restrooms, then you might want to double check the hours for that. There's a playground here, a lake. It's just a really great spot to spend some time and relax out in nature in the middle of the city. So let's go check it out.